Hello guys, welcome to Joseph IT Technology Entertainer. Today in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to republish your unpublished Facebook page easily just with some simple clicks. So first of all, I'm going to my Facebook page, and as you can see, the page tech support is unpublished and having an closed eye icon on it. So what I'm going to do in order to fix it, I'm just opening this page. And as you can see, this is a black theme I'm using, and which is why it is black. And going to settings, and from there page visibility, it is invisible or unpublished. And now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to simply click on page published and save changes, and now it is published. And as you can see, all my followers will be able to see the posts I post on this page. And this is a simple way of doing so. Hope you will be able to republish your page like this again. And if you really found this video useful, then please don't forget to share your experience on the comment box, like the video, and subscribe to this channel of Joseph IT. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.